Hello, and welcome to OpenField. In this tutorial, we will show you how to phone bank using OpenField. Phone banking is a great way to reach people because it allows you to connect to your community from anywhere. Enter your Canvasser URL and log in with your credentials. If you're volunteering for the first time, please create your account now. Once logged in, enter your conversation code for the day. A goal for the number of people you should contact will appear. Try to aim for it, or even higher. Next, you'll see your phone banking homepage. It will include the phone number for the contact you're going to call, your organization's name, and a place to indicate call dispositions if no one answers. Call dispositions include not home, wrong number, and others. To view your list of options, click on the drop-down menu right below Couldn't connect with anyone. There is also a legend that indicates whether a contact is on your target list, which means they're the person your organization is specifically trying to talk to, a registered voter, an inactive voter, if they have an existing contact history, or if they are incarcerated. Finally, in the upper right-hand corner of the screen, you'll see your progress toward your calling goal. To begin, hand dial the number in blue on your screen. If you are on mobile, clicking the highlighted phone number will let you tap to call. When someone picks up the phone, ask them for their name. If it matches the name on your list, click on the name to move to the following screen, where the questions from your script will appear. You can ask the questions in your script and record the answers on this screen. Then click on Save and Next Call to continue phone banking, or Save and Finish when you're ready to end your session. If you call the number and someone answers, but it's not the person on your list, you can search for them in our database by clicking the burger bar menu and selecting Search. Type the person's name in the search bar and tap the search icon. If you need to search on fields besides name, click the People dropdown. You can search by names, phone numbers, notes on the contact's record, or a combination of all three plus additional fields using Advanced Search. If you have an existing record for this person in your database, it will appear in the search results. Tap the person's name to start a conversation with them. If the person's name doesn't show up in the search results, it's easy to add a new record for them. In the search results, tap Meet Someone Not on the List below, add them here. A screen will appear for you to add the person to the database. Under Personal Info, add information about the person, including first and last name, gender identity, pronouns, languages, etc. Further down, under Talk to Them, the questions in your script will appear, allowing you to continue a conversation with them. When you're finished with your conversation, click Create Person and save. You can also add a follow-up to a contact's record, placing the contact back into the call queue to be reattempted at a specified date and time. There is also a space to record relevant notes, such as the reason for a follow-up or additional information about the contact. When the contact returns to the queue at the specified date and time, a message will appear at the top of the screen, prompting you to complete the follow-up. A yellow dot will also appear beside their name, referencing the contact history. Clicking to open the History tab will show the details of the contact history and the content of any notes added when creating the follow-up. To view more information about the person you're calling, or to make changes or updates to that information, such as their preferred name, address, etc., you can view and make those changes in the About tab. The About tab is also where you mark an individual contact as deceased. To view early vote or absentee vote information, check out the GOTV tab on a contact's record. This tab will include whether or not a contact has already early voted, their early vote location, whether or not they've already absentee voted, their ballot drop-off location, and more. Please note, if you accidentally record the wrong responses to questions, you can return to that contact's page and record the correct responses. That will then update their contact history. If a second response is recorded for the same contact within a 5-minute window, only the second response will be saved. To return to a previous conversation, click the OpenField logo in the upper left-hand corner, then Recent Calls. Find the name of the person whose responses you need to update and click on it. Record the correct responses and click Save Conversation again. You will see the message below confirming that the contact history has been updated. Please note, you cannot return to a contact record and update their conversation information if you marked them as not home after clicking Save and Next Call or Save and Finish. Clicking on the OpenField icon in the top left-hand corner will take you to the burger bar menu. Search will allow you to search the database for specific people, notes, phone numbers, and more. Enter a new code will allow you to choose and work in a different conversation code. Next Call will take you to the next person on your call list. Recent Calls will show you your call history. And Leaderboard will show you how you're doing amongst fellow canvassers during this phone banking session. When you're done for the day, tap the OpenField logo to open the burger bar menu, then tap Log Out. Thank you for calling with OpenField. If you encounter any issues, please email us at support@openfield.ai for further assistance.